Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to reset. Okay, let's try this again. This video is on how to reset your Onkyo Tx-Sr393. So what you want to do is press and hold the cable/sat button down and just press the on/standby button. And clear will come up on the screen. You just wait and it will disappear. Once it disappears, it is now factory reset. So let's try it. We'll press the on button and it shows that it wants you to do the initial setup. Well, I hope this tip has been helpful. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.